my review of the episode 2 of the Grand Tour. I discussed the new racing driver that the Grand Tour has pulled in, the race from New York City to Niagara Falls, Celebrity Face-Off with this week's guests, and the new Mercedes-AMG GT R. That's all to come in this week's episode 2 review of Grand Tour, which you can find in the link below. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you again next week for my review of episode 3. Coming up on my review of episode 2 of the Grand Tour, I discuss this week on my review of the episode of